What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin and you are watching another episode of I Trade Crypto. I got some really interesting stuff to show you here today. Some crazy Bitcoin wallet transactions taking place. Before I get started here, I just want to say that I do have a Patreon, and you can click the link below to see what the Patreon can do for you. We just had our first successful month and it went really well. I think everyone was happy with it. But anyway, let's get right into it, guys. So overall, obviously the crypto market kind of stable, slowly moving its way up. Bitcoin sort of moving its way up to the $7,500 price point, which is a price point we talked about a week ago. But anyway, guys, crazy Bitcoin transactions taking place right here. So there was a post on Reddit that basically showed that somebody with a large amount of Bitcoin is moving their Bitcoin. 111,000 Bitcoin transaction just took place. If we're looking at the wallet here, this is what we're looking at. This wallet was first seen in March of 2014, okay? And the status of this wallet is very dormant, which means that it's not really being used, okay? But now if we go over here and we check out the actual, the transactions that take place in this wallet, the inputs here, there's 119 inputs, and thousands of Bitcoin were added into this wallet. The output transactions that took place here happened since August 24th until September 2nd. So whoever this is on Reddit, Six Silk, they were the one who brought this to everyone's attention here. This is a great Reddit post. I'll put the link in the description. And it really breaks down exactly what this wallet has been doing. It's possible that this wallet is sending some Bitcoin to Bitfinex and Binance and possibly BitMEX and a few others. But what does that mean, guys? So what does that mean? If this wallet, which has been dormant since 2014, has finally, this past week, started transferring Bitcoin out of the wallet, what does that mean? Well, there's a couple possibilities, of course. One of the possibilities could be that the person is getting ready to cash out. They're getting ready to sell. They think that Bitcoin might be running out of steam, and they're getting ready to take their profits and whatnot. Considering that they've been holding since 2014, they're sitting on a lot of profit. The other possibility is that this person is maybe buying altcoins, or it is possible that it's an OTC transaction, over-the-counter transaction, where this person is selling their Bitcoin for cash and not doing it through an exchange. That is also another possibility. It's interesting, though, that this is happening now, and somebody who owns 111,000 Bitcoin is now moving their Bitcoin and hasn't done so since 2014. I think that kind of says something. I personally believe that this person is getting ready to take profits and sell and exit their position. But again, that's just my theory, guys. Nobody really knows what the intent of this Bitcoin holder is. But I guess we'll find out soon. We'll see how the market reacts to this news. Looking at Bitcoin here let's check out the daily. So we're going to go to the daily chart here. Bitcoin's steadily moving up. The price sort of just sticking right into this channel. You see that, guys? The price spread here on this recent move is pretty tight. Not much divergence out of the channel. But obviously, I think something's gonna. I think most likely we're gonna top out here and break down out of this channel. I don't think we're gonna see a break up and out. If you remember my video from the other week, we were talking about Bitcoin was sitting right below that $6,800 mark, and if you remember, we were talking about how if it does break above the 6,800 mark, then we're most likely going to see $7,500. And let's check out the EMA. We were also looking at the 100 EMA here, talking about how, of course, Bitcoin has broken above the 100 EMA 3 times now on its way down, and happening again is because it happened that many times, it's likely to happen again, and it is happening again. Bitcoin breaking above that 100 EMA on the daily. And in that video last week, saying the 2 most likely scenarios for Bitcoin, I was talking about $7,500 as the most likely top. And recently here we hit $7,430. That was our top here, and then we sold off. We're rallying back up to that resistance area. We'll see how heavy the resistance is. We'll see how strong the bulls are. We'll see how confident the bulls are. But yeah, there are now articles being written about this. $1 billion worth of Bitcoin currently on the move from a suspicious wallet. It is unclear who owns this wallet, guys. Nobody knows who owns this wallet right now. And the current balance of the wallet seems to be 0 Bitcoin. This wallet was dormant. The person, obviously, this wallet was being stored off exchanges, and now is being sent to exchanges for whatever reason, right? So I'll leave that up to you guys. what you guys think this means. You know, a Bitcoin wallet that was dormant since 2014 now becoming active again. And of course, as you see, guys, my background is a little different than normal. I was changing my setup a little bit. And I sort of landed on this, and I was like, oh, this is kind of nice. So we'll see how it goes. Let me know if you guys like the new background here. I think it's kind of nice. So now that there are 5 people on tier 2 of my Patreon, that means I'm going to be doing 5 live streams every month here on this channel. I'm going to be going live at different times of the day. I'm going to make sure that I go live at all different times of the day so that, you know, people around the world can all participate in the live. I'm not going to go live every day at the exact same time. It's going to be a little bit random. And usually I like to wait for the prices to be doing interesting things before I go live. That way we're not going live and it's boring and Bitcoin's just trading sideways. You know what I mean? So I'm only going live when it's going to be interesting. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. And if you enjoyed the video, if you thought it was interesting, hit that like button, that subscribe button, hit that bell button. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and check out those links below so you can see these transactions and see some of the articles that are being written about it, and you can come to your own conclusion. And I will see you in the next video.